It's actually very stupid.
Yeah.
Ostegera, for you to think that with all the money that I've made, I have nothing. Gwe musiru. You understand? Why I go musiru? It is because I don't want to come here in the open and start saying I have this and I have that.
A house in Munyonyo.
No, I have talent. That is what I have, which is better than you. You will never have it. You understand? But a house you will build. You understand? Amazing cars, everybody can make the money, they will get it. Anyone can have a car tomorrow. But the talent that Cindy Biebe has, that you'll never have. That is what I put on the table. Because no one has it. That is me. Kati chenteka kuchi, kutebo, naye bidala byonna byonna biri ordinary to me. Biri ordinary. Baboda bakustage yange bazimba mayumba. You understand? It's something which is very common. Posing ati wakulira maka. A house is not a big deal to me and my mindset. It is not. So if I wanted to talk about what I've accumulated with the money I've made, that for sure, Jebiri for sure. Definitely, yes. And even when I say that, because about mama wange. You live a peaceful life. When you keep quiet, you live a peaceful life. So when I spoke about it, then, people said disturbing my mother.